Okay, how to make a countdown timer in less than 2 minutes. First, we create a black video mat. File, new, black video. We drag it over top of our clip that we want the countdown timer. Now we see it's just black here, so we go into our effects and create a time code. So we drag the time code over top of here. Now we've got a time code going up, and it's based on the same frames per second as the clip, but we can see it's a black background now. So what we do here is go into blend mode, normal, and then we go into not overlay, we go into lighten, and then we got a time code going up. We might want to resize this a bit. Then we grab our effect crop, we drag that down to the clip, then we crop the left, and in this case I'm just going to be doing seconds, so we crop to the seconds there, and the right we crop to the seconds there, and now we have a countdown timer that's starting and going up, but we want to make it go backwards. So what we want to do now is reverse it. So we go Command J for reverse, but we can see it doesn't allow us to do reverse. So we go, what we're going to need to do is nest it first. So we go right click and nest. We create the nested sequence, and in this case now we can reverse it. We see the black bar from the crop has come back up, so what we're going to have to do is select on the nested sequence, go to blend mode, go to lighten, that deletes the black. Now if we go to Command J, reverse speed, then we go to the beginning of the clip, we have a countdown timer. Basically this is counting down the amount of seconds left on the scene or clip if you need to show that for your video. And that's it.